track. Here we go. Jonty Butaya on the track. 36.43 is the time to beat on the clock. Here we go. Right here. Coming into the start. Oh, nice one right there for Jonty Butaya. This is it. 36.43 is the time to beat by Otik Retina. Oh, mabilis to. So, here we go. Now, in the backstretch right there, this seems so fast right here. So, 36.43 is the time to beat 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 38, 20.